Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the available bookings screen. The available booking function is used for quick access to all the available booking time slots on all the diaries for a specific day. Since all diaries can be viewed from the available bookings screen, there is no longer a need to search through each individual diary, which saves time for the user. On the diary screen, click on the Available Bookings button. The Available Bookings screen will open. All of the available bookings across all diaries for the current date will be listed. The user is able to change both the start and end dates of the available booking time slots if a booking on a future date is required. The available bookings can also be listed over multiple days for easier use. The number of time slots shown on the available booking screen can also be changed if the user would like to see more or less of the time slots available on a given day. Click on the Exclude Slots in the Past checkbox if the user would prefer time slots included that have already passed. Once a user has decided on a date and time slot, double-click on the desired time slot. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Search for the desired data in the search bar. Click on the correct data, which will fill in the data details with the information found on the system. For more information regarding the Add Edit Booking screen and how to make a booking, please refer to the Book Existing Patient User Manual linked in this video's description. If the user would like to cancel the booking process and return to the available booking screen without making a booking, click on the Close button. If the user would like to proceed with the booking, click on the Save button. The user will be returned to the available booking screen. Click on the Close button if the user is done with making bookings and would like to return to the diary screen.